there's this stuff that you're supposed to get in order to function like a normal human being. I forgot what it's called though. Something like sleep? I think that's what it was called. Yeah. Does anyone know how you could get some of that? Wake up. I actually don't own a deck of cards at the moment. So happy birthday to Ainsley first off. Yay! Happy birthday. I would be more enthusiastic, but I'm tired. So I was gonna make you something. I started to make you something on my computer last night, but for some reason it was like lagging really bad. So I was like, screw that. So yeah, I don't have a present for you yet, but I don't have school next week, so I was planning on making you something better next week. And yeah, I hope you did well on your tests. Tests. What came first, the chicken or the egg? I think the chicken definitely came first. It's like the whole Adam and Eve thing. Apparently, Adam and Eve were made as adults. They weren't made as infants, because if they were, they would die because they wouldn't be able to take care of themselves. It's the same thing with the chicken. Like Whitney said, it would die without a mom to take care of it. So yeah, the chicken came first. Does someone want to do my homework for me? Any takers? Anyone? Anyone? I forgot to come up with a challenge. How about, like, act like a ninja in your next video?